Hello, I'm Catherine and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if this is a return visit. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today I just wanted to play with some new makeup products that I've gotten recently. Some of these are new to the market, but some of them are just new to me, and I thought it would be kind of fun to do some first impressions. The majority of these are first impressions, and just kind of see how it goes and see how the makeup look turns out. So if that sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned. I have my hairpin back and now we are ready to try a new primer. I just recently got this in a Colourpop order, and this is from their company Fourth Ray Beauty, and this is called Thirst Aid, and it is a hydrating primer, and I thought, well, let me try that out. I'm always looking for a new hydrating primer. It smells very nice. Not sure what the scent is. It's just very clean smelling, not heavily fragranced. It's definitely given hydration. It feels very nice on the skin. Not tacky. Very nice. I like that. That feels very nice on the skin. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the new Morphe foundation. And this is their Filter Effect. It is a soft focus foundation that is medium to full coverage. I have used this one other time, and that was in an Instagram Get Ready With Me. And if you are interested in that, I do a Get Ready With Me every Sunday on Instagram. And my handle is @KZBeautyCoach, and I would love to have you come over and join me over there. So I did one pump of this, and I am in the shade Filter Light 6. I am using a new brush that I got from Sigma. This is the Airbrush Kabuki brush, which I have used one other time and really liked it. It's very soft, but also soft but dense. This is a buildable foundation. I'm building it a little bit around on my sunspots, and then I always do some on the nose as well. I really like this foundation brush. It is very comfortable, and you can get a nice bounce to stamp product in, but you can also get a nice sweep to kind of thin the product out. I would say this is almost a satin finish. It's really quite nice. This is my second time using it. The first time I liked it quite a bit. It's sort of glowy in the center, but it's giving me nice coverage. Doesn't look dry anywhere or cakey, and it hasn't settled into any pores or wrinkles. Nice. This is a nice new foundation from Morphe. Okay, so I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury. This is not a new product, but I've been trying to use more of my correctors. I kind of go in waves with that, but I really should be using a corrector just to cancel out the blue color, that blue-black color of my under eye, and it would help me to not use quite as much concealer. So I've been trying to make an active note of using a corrector. You can see the difference when I use it. The concealer I want to use today, I haven't used in a long time. I think I only used it one time, and it is the Tarte Hydrocealer. So I'm not sure what I thought of this. That's why I pulled it out again. I'm just going to do a little. Oh, and the corrector, I'm in the shade 1 Fair, and in this Tarte concealer, I'm in Fair Light Neutral. I'm using my e.l.f. sponge. It's done a pretty nice job. I think I could build it a little bit over here. It doesn't seem like a neutral shade to me. It seems a little warm, but that's all right. I'm liking everything so far with the complexion. For my eyelids, I'm going to be just using my regular NARS primer. So complexion looks pretty good. I am going to be trying a new powder that I got from Becca, which sadly, I don't know if you've heard the news that Becca is going to be going out of business in September, but this was actually a new product that they had come out. It's called the Light Shifter Finishing Veil. I'm going to be using this as a setting powder. It's not really supposed to be a setting powder, but I guess I'm going to try it out this way and see what we think. It's pretty hard in the pan, but quite a bit comes up. So we're gonna just see what happens when we use this. Oh, it's definitely coming up, but it's very light. I think I will go back to this after we're done with the rest of the complexion to finish it off, but I do like the effect of this. Very nice. For bronzer, I have another new product from Becca, but it's an old product. It's actually on sale right now. I don't know how much longer it will be, but this is their Sunrise Waves bronzer. And I've always kind of had my eye on this, and it went on sale, and I thought I better get it now. So this is just like a mosaic of colors. It is shimmery, and I am using a new Sigma brush also that is their HD Bronze F29. So I'm going to go into this. We're going to see what kind of overall effect this has. Ooh, it's pretty. Very pretty. It has sheen, so if you don't like a shiny bronzer, you're not going to like this. But I love the tone. Very pretty. This brush is really nice too. Sigma came out with a few new brushes in their HD collection, and they're really nice. Well, I have two of them, but I would like to maybe get another because I'm really impressed with how these perform. Very soft on the face, easy for blending product. This is a great bronzer for people who just like bronzer and don't really want to use a blush. I mean, of course you can use a blush, but it has that little shine. Of course, you don't even need to use a highlighter because you've got the shine. Very pretty. Reminds me of the Kosas bronzer, which I like for the same kind of effect. And at the drugstore, the L'Oreal Lumi bronzer is also really good for this. So, okay, nice. I like that. So far, so good. For blush, I wanted to use this cream blush from Stila. I actually heard about this from Allie Glines. If you don't follow her on YouTube, she's just adorable, and she has great makeup picks. And she fell in love with this product called, the shade name is Lilium, and it's a cream blush from Stila. It's not a new product, it's been around for a little bit, but I thought the color was so pretty, that kind of rosy pink, and she really is in love with it. So I thought I'd give it a try. I'm just going to stamp it on. I'm just using a Real Techniques. This is actually their, I think it's their contour brush, but I like using it for any type of cream products. Ooh, this is pretty. It's really pretty over that Becca bronzer. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. That's a nice product. And I like the shade, very good. It's a nice neutral, but it's got a little pink in it. For highlight today, I want to use a product from Clinique. This is their Lunar Pop. And I will say, I just got this from Sephora because it was on sale. And I did get it, and I'll show you it. I need to glue it back in or something. I haven't done it yet. I really do need to. But I'm going to go ahead and use this highlight and see what we've got going on here. Ooh, it's pretty. It's very, I love a nice subtle highlight. Of course, I'm pretty glowy with the combination of the bronzer, and the blush has a little bit of sheen to it. Not a lot, but. So I'm going to go back into this Becca, go back into the powder brush, and let's just kind of stamp it all over and diffuse whatever we've got going on. For brows, I am just using some old favorites, this e.l.f. brow product and this Almay Clear Brow Gel. Nothing exciting or new. However, I have heard that Charlotte Tilbury is coming out with a new brow product at the end of March. And I'm always curious as to what she's coming up with. Okay, for eyes today, I wanted to do a little something different. I've been wanting to try these Maybelline Color Strikes, and I got the shade Charm, which is a pretty pink color. So I really don't know how these work. I'm going to kind of put them on the lid. I'm not sure if that, and then do you dig back in? This is very light pink, but pretty. I don't even think I need a brush for this because it's pretty light. The application is super easy because it is pretty light. So you can just use the little spongy end to apply it. This doesn't have a lot of color. It's just very, very neutral. I did have another product that I wanted to put on top, and I think I will use a brush to help me out with that. So the other product I want to use is from Ulta Beauty, and they have these little cream eyeshadows that I've heard people talk about, and this just looked pretty. The shade that I have is Macaron, and this is going to be a really light eye look, I'll tell you that much. Ooh, a lot came up. Let's see. Ooh, hold on. Too much came up on my brush. Just going to put this on the lid. So this will be just a very light eye look. This product is very pretty. It's a nice cream eyeshadow. Very smooth, not chunky glitter. The shade is very pretty. It's kind of a mix between a pink and a lavender. Most of the time you see a lot of rose gold in cream shadows, and it's nice to see something a little bit almost lilac. It was really easy, no tugging to apply. I really like that. When I got that Ulta Beauty, I think it was like buy two, get one free or something like that. So I also got an eyeliner from Ulta Beauty because I'm always interested in trying out, especially inexpensive eyeliners. This one is in the shade Mink. And I'm going to tight line to start. And I'm going to very, very lightly. Ooh, this is pretty. No tugging at all, which I love. Pigmented. Pretty pigmented. I'm going to take a smudger brush. Lightly go over that. Okay, very easy to apply. Pigmented and no tugging. That's a good eyeliner from Ulta. Very good, very inexpensive. I love it. For mascara, I'm going to be using this new Benefit mascara, the They're Real Magnet mascara. I tried this again in an Instagram Get Ready With Me, but that's the only time I've used it, and I wanted to try it one more time. So I've curled my lashes with my Surratt. The brush is really big. Kind of plastic ends. It's supposed to have like magnets or something in it to help lift your lashes. Maybe, not bad. Let's go back. Let's add a little more. Okay, I did 2 coats. I like it. So, not bad. I'm liking this. I might might add just a touch more of the blush. Just a touch. Another new product that I got from the drugstore is this LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Non-Stop Nude. And I heard about this from Mandy Lee here on YouTube. And I like the color. Might be a touch warm for this eye and cheek look, but I think it'll work, and I'm going to put something on top. So I like that. It's a very creamy lip liner. Bare Minerals came out with a new line of Minimalist lip gloss balms, and I got the shade Ingenuity. And I thought I would try that out over just for a very soft. The smell is nice. It reminds me of something. That feels really nice. It's very hydrating. I don't know what that smell is. It smells good. This is a good pink nude. Just kind of goes with anything. I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. This is a really nice setting spray. Okay, that is the finished look. I like it. I've really liked a lot of these products. The primer was very hydrating. I don't know, we'll see how it does with keeping the makeup going. Like this foundation. This is my second time using it, and I do like the effect of this. I like this Becca powder. It's a very light formula. No cakiness. I really like that. This blush from Stila, I really like that. That's a great shade to have. Great everyday shade. And this Becca bronzer is really a fun bronzer, especially to have. And see if you can still get it in the sale. I think it's 50% off. I'm excited to use more of this Clinique Lunar Pop blush. It's very subtle, very pretty. The eye look is interesting. I'm not sure what I think of this Maybelline. It was just so light. There was just no color. But I will tell you that this Ulta, this is a great little find. The Bouncy Cream Eyeshadow. I'll let you know if it creases, but it's really nice. And it went on so well, and I love the lightness and the prettiness of the shimmer. Okay, lip liner and the eyeliner were both great and both affordable. The mascara has done a nice job. We'll see how well it wears. And this new product from Bare Minerals, this Minimalist liquid lip gloss balm, very pretty. And I'm sure it's not long lasting, but it's really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me with these new products. It's always fun to play with some new products. I really appreciate you stopping by and spending some time here with me today. And I hope to see you in my next video.